Niger's deposed President Mohamed Bazoum, detained since the July 26 coup, must be released immediately, the West African bloc ECOWAS court ordered on Friday. The court called for his immediate and unconditional release and ordered Bazoum's reinstatement, according to the judge in the case heard in Abuja, the Nigerian capital. Niger is currently suspended from the Economic Community of West African States after the Presidential Guard overthrew Bazoum and arrested him and his family. It is Mohamed Bazoum who represents Niger State remains President of the Republic, reads the court ruling. There are constitutional rights that have been violated. Bazoum has been holed up in his presidential residence with his wife and sons since he was overthrown. Niger's military rulers did not immediately respond to the ruling. Other member states have ignored ECOWAS court rulings in the past. In mid-September, the deposed president approached the ECOWAS Court of Justice to obtain his release and the restoration of constitutional order in the country. The court's decisions are not subject to any appeal, Bazoum's legal team said in a statement sent to AFP. According to Seydou Dieng, one of Bazoum's lawyers, the court condemned for the first time the military authorities who, with their coup, violated the principles of the ECOWAS constitution. It is the responsibility of ECOWAS and its member states to ensure that this judicial decision is effectively implemented, the lawyer's statement read. ECOWAS announced Thursday that Niger has been suspended from all its decision-making bodies until constitutional order is restored. ECOWAS, which imposed heavy economic and financial sanctions against Niger and disrupted trade after the coup, has resumed dialogue with the military regime. On Thursday, Togolese Foreign Minister Robert Dussey, who was on a mediation mission in Niamey, said details on the transition to civilian rule in Niger had been agreed with its Prime Minister Ali Mohamed Lamine Zine, a civilian appointed by the military regime. Dussey told Niger's national television, Tele Sahel, that he had worked and agreed on the content and timing of the transition with the regime's Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, Bakary Yao Sangar. We will present this content agreed together with the mediating heads of state and the ECOWAS Commission, he said, without providing details on how long the transition will last or how it will happen. According to Tele Sahel, Dussey will return to Niamey in January with his Sierra Leonean counterpart, Timothy Kaba. On Sunday, the ECOWAS summit in Abuja paved the way for a reduction in sanctions against Niger, but on the condition that there is a short transition to civilian government. ECOWAS leaders have decided that a committee of heads of state, made up of Benin, Togo, and Sierra Leone will negotiate with Niger's military regime the necessary steps before a possible easing of sanctions. In August, the head of the military regime, General Abdourahmane Tiani, said that the duration of the transition would not exceed 3 years and would be determined by an inclusive national dialogue.
For more news like this across the globe, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you.